Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Ann. If you are new here, before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is normally Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But last week I didn't get to keep my schedule. I have had a lot going on with family, sickness, and just a lot of stuff. I've been dying with a toothache. My jaws are still swollen. It's not really a toothache. I don't even really know what to call it. It's a, I grind my teeth at night. I do normally, like when I need to, I use a night guard, and I've lost it. I'll use them for a few days here, every few months, and it seems like it works, but I have lost mine because sometimes I take them out and I throw them in the middle of the night. I don't know where they end up, and normally I find them in some weird places. But this time, I ain't been able to find mine, and I know I put it up, and normally I put it back in a container and I keep keep water to it so that it won't dry out. But I thought I put it in with my makeup, and I ain't been able to find it. And so when I started grinding my teeth, I really shifted her probably a lot. Like it's completely out. One tooth, the back here in the back is like totally out of whack. And because of COVID-19, I haven't been able to get into a dentist, and it caused a really bad infection. So I just been really dying with the toothache for probably the last 2.5 weeks. And this last week I ain't been able to upload. I did have one video to upload, and I've got it uploaded to YouTube. I've worked on it a little bit, and I still just ain't got it out. So that one's going to come out tomorrow. And but that's why I ain't been uploading, is because I've had a lot of stuff going on, but at the same time I've been dying with a toothache. Got put on antibiotics for 2 weeks, and it was penicillin, and it wasn't doing nothing. I was taking 4 a day, and then yesterday I went back and got put on something else, and I take them for a day. But hopefully everything's gonna clear up, because this is killing my ear. It's killing my jaw. It's been hard to eat. It's been hard really to do anything, and really hurting down in here. You can see where I'm swollen. But today we are going to unbox our monthly Lashy Box. This is for the month of June, and I finally got to put some makeup on, and I'm a little darker and a little red. My face is getting tan, but right now I'm red and getting darker, and my makeup does not match my skin. I need to get some more. I did have extra for summertime, but I don't know, it's not working out. And the big thing is my hair. We'll talk about that in a minute, because this is a mistake. So Lashy Box. So this is just it's a monthly, I like to call it a lash subscription, because it does say Lashy Box. You get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes, but I've noticed I always get 4 pairs of lashes. And normally you get around 2 makeup items. Really considering how, how big it is sometimes if it's an eyeshadow palette, you'll get 1. Sometimes most of the time you'll get 2 little things. And they always throw in their little thing of glue in case you don't have none on hand. And this is, I think, $12.99 a month, but they do charge shipping and handling, which I think is $3.99. So here is the inside of the box. It's very small, but it brings me so much joy. Okay, so first pair of lashes. Oh my god, I love them. This is by Flaunt Beauty. I've never tried anything by them, so this is I'm glad to do that. And they're the Empowered. And we also have another one by Flaunt Beauty, and I love these too. And these ones are their Money So Money Baby. So here they are. Let me take them out of the thing so you can see them good, because that light plastic gives a glare. So here is the Empowered. These are right up my alleys. I don't got lashes on today. I decided just to go with mascara, but I love these. And they look like they got a pretty good band on them. So I'm going to enjoy them. And So Money Baby. So Money Baby. Really like these. Ooh. So we got 2 pairs by Lashy Box. I'm going to say my favorite for last. These are their Gemini, their 3D silk lashes. Here they are. I've got some like this. I do like them. So here they are out of the plastic. Lashy Box makes some really good lashes. The owner of Lashy Box actually owns Remy Made Cosmetics. And they do have some good makeup items too. But I really like these. I've got a few pairs and I know I will like them. And then they have their Blueberries 3D Silk Lashes. And these are like, let me get a close-up. They have like pink, red, blue, gold. It's like every color in there. Green. It's like everything's in there. These, I love these. Okay. That's all the lashes we got. And I really like all 4 pairs of lashes. Even though the other ones are like crazy colored. I really think that I could pull them off. And then here's our little thing of glue. I always lose mine. And then we have an eyeshadow palette by Flaunt Beauty. And this is their 6-colored eyeshadow palette infused with cannabis stevia seed extract. So everybody's like adding like cannabis to their makeup anymore. I do have a face cleaner that's got it, THC. I don't forget what it is, but I absolutely love it. I used it for a few days, and I actually just had the worst breakout ever, and, but that means it's working. My other one must not have been. I even broke out, like, right in here. It was a bad breakout, but I really did, it really does help my skin. I haven't used it in a few days. I've been using my, Glam Glow. So right here it is, really pretty. Indica. I guess that's an I. Indica, yeah. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, so sorry about that. Okay, let me see. So it does have a mirror, and we got 6 colors, and they are bright and fun colors. I love these 2. I love these 2. I even like these 2, but I can see like this summer wearing a lot of these. So we will go ahead and get these. The first one is Bubba Cookies Ice Cream. Now that don't remind me of ice cream, but I don't know. I don't like get into like the other thing, so I don't know what their stuff is. And that is like really like stained my hand already. So it's very pigment. So then we have Great Grape. Then we have Northern Lights. I really like, I hope that does better. Okay. Then we have Blue Dream. And it looks like it's going to do a really good job. Okay. Shimmery. Hey, boys, I'm recording. My kids are getting awful loud. They like to kidnap the cats and keep them with them. But, okay, so I do like that. I love that color. After I swatched it, I really, really like that. I thought that was going to be one of my favorite colors, but I kind of like this one better. And this one, I don't know. It looks like it's going to be a little patchy, but you never know, really, until you put it actually on your eyes. You're not going to know how it's going to work out. So, I don't know. It just, the way it's swatched, I really don't like it. But we will find out. Okay. So, that is actually everything that we got in our Lashy Box. I enjoyed every lash. I'm going to have fun playing with that palette. I love bright colors. Today, I'm doing, like, just browns with a little pop of pink just to have a little color and some brown lips. Normally, I don't go, like, brown all the way, but I did today. I just felt like I wanted to keep it simple, and that was it. I ain't wore makeup in probably 2 weeks anyway, maybe a little longer. Last time I put makeup on, it was like, I put it on, I recorded, and then it was like, as soon as I got done recording, I washed it right off, and had a lot of work to do. But now since my tooth is starting, after 2.5 weeks of being on antibiotics, it's finally starting to ease up, and hopefully it starts like healing. They said they really thought that where I shifted, that I just have like an infection down in the root area. There's nothing wrong with my tooth though. I'm really glad of that, because really don't want to lose no teeth. And so the hair, here's the funny story. I wanted to highlight my hair, and everything's been closed. I ain't been able to like go and like to a barber shop, or not a barber shop, but a salon, and get anything done. I really need a haircut, so I didn't cut my hair. I did take like some of the dead ends off, but not enough, because I mean, it's dead. And so I got me a highlighting kit, and you can't do it by yourself. So I said to ask my husband if he, like, look at this. This is horrible. So we'll just keep that down here. So I told my husband, all I need you to do is like pull it through the back and maybe a little bit on the sides. And I got my big mirror that I set on my vanity. I took it to the kitchen. So I was sitting there drinking my coffee in the morning and working on my hair. And we started doing it the night before, but he wasn't really comfortable with doing it. So I waited till the next day. I undone what I had done. And so redone it the next morning and started pulling it through the cap again. And I don't know. I think he thought that you had to pull more through. And so I pulled the front through and pretty much right in here. And it was supposed to be like this pretty caramel color. And he pulled the back through. And I will show you, the back does look a lot better. And but he ended up pulling some more of the front through, because he said that I missed some hose. And when I got done pulling it, because I don't really like have no bangs, and I had pulled this like where I had it combed straight, I like pulled it to the side so that I could see what I was doing. And he ended up pulling some more through the front. I don't know what happened here, really. I'm going to fix that either tonight, tomorrow, or in the next few days. I'm going to fix it. And so we ended up pulling way too much through the front, like from probably here on. It was like just way too much. So it ended up like I really looked like a blonde with maybe some red highlights. And the color of it really ain't that bad. If it's all like just like blonde color, I'd be good with it. But it does have like, to me, some like right in here. Like you see, some of it's like right here is red, but some of it like looks like it's got like an orangey tone to it here and there, like right in here. So I really like to get the orange out. I knew going in it as a redhead that I should keep it on longer. And I think it's supposed to be like 55 minutes. Or maybe 45 minutes. I think I ended up keeping it on an extra 5 minutes. Knowing I'm a redhead, I should have went longer, because knowing that it will turn orange, because I've had my hair completely bleached before. But I didn't, and I wish I would have now. And then, you know, like where I still got this like dark red going on, I am going to refix it, but that is what happened to my hair. I think it would have been good if we hadn't pulled too much through. And then the back of it is like a lot of red is going on back here. So this is what it was supposed to look like, if I can get there. Like, take some of the... So it's supposed to look something like this, like more like with highlights with the red, but most likely I am going to go ahead and fix it, and myself, of course, and probably take it all the way blonde and just do with a blonde color, because I'm not hating it. I didn't think I'd like to be a blonde, but after this, I think I will like it. I don't know. Comment down below what you think, what color I should put in, and if you would like to see me fix my hair, I can make a video on that. I was going to make a video on doing the hair, but I'm glad I didn't. It was horrible. I wanted to cry because it didn't come out right. But I'm not really, like, mad at it. I'm mad because of this. Because, to me, it looks like you got little bald spots going on. It's just, like, bleach rings. But I'm going to have that fixed. If you guys would like to see me fix it, just comment down below that you would like for me to film it, and comment the color that you think it would look good on me. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm so glad I finally got to sit down and film, and I felt good. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.